Right, hi guys, CES 2026. We're at the Robocore stand to see all the latest Temi products. We've got Sean, who's in charge of marketing. He's going to give us a quick overview of the latest products these guys have got. We've got the latest Temi Fourcast, which is the one behind us, and we're also going to go through some other Temi stuff as well. But sticking with the Fourcast, so Sean, could you just give us like an overview? I suppose start with Robocore, so the guys know who Robocore are, and then we can go a bit more into the Fourcast product.
Yeah, I think guys are already familiar with our Temi V3 robots, which mostly used at the scenarios of healthcare. Now we have the new Fourcast. We call it Fourcast because it has 4 screens.
Yep.
So this one is designed for the retail scenarios. We can use it in the shopping malls, airports, any crowded public area. And on the screen, we can launch different advertisements from different owners. And then on the ground, you can also see there's a projector, and the content could also be different. So when the robot moving around at the shopping mall, let's say, it will attract the people, to attract their eyes, because it's not a standing still advertisement screen. It's a moving one. So people always like the fresh scene, like the new scenes. When they see the moving robots, their eyes will be caught by the content on the screen.
Yeah.
So, and we can share the revenue benefit from the stakeholders, the owners of the shopping malls, the management team, instead of selling the hardware to them or rent it to them. So that will be a new business mode.
Right, that's very interesting. Yeah, I mean, as you were saying, the problem you have with a static screen is that once you've seen it once, then your mind just glazes over it.
Exactly.
But the advantage of having something moving and that can actually change its content as it goes throughout the venue is great for eye-catching. It can be used for obviously guidance, can be used for safety as well, but obviously mainly from a retail perspective for marketing, it's a perfect tool.
Yeah.
I mean, from that side.
Then we also have a very powerful backstage of the content of cards, which means you can upload, you can exchange the content anytime. And the backstage could be authorized by us or by the venue management team.
Right, I see. So very easy to use software program. So you can use it as a revenue generator, split margins, etc.
Exactly.
Yeah. Cool.
And for example, in the exhibition hall like this one, the exhibitors, your booth is located that's physically fixed on some place, but you can put your advertisement on the robot and let it roving to other place to attract the visitors to your booth.
Yeah. Exactly. A perfect advertising tool that moves it correct. And the great thing about Temi is they've got all the full safety systems for the robot will stop if someone walks in front of it. You can do different speeds as well. You can have it moving slowly for some venues, and it may speed up at certain parts of the venues. So you can really use it as a mobile advertising tool. So that would really like it.
Yeah, and thanks to its powerful navigation system.
So one thing that you can't see, which is down here, but I'll put some footage that goes over, is the robot has got 4 projectors which project an image onto the floor, and the idea is that you could also use this for branding. So what you can do is you can look down and you can actually put your foot onto the image, and when you put your foot in the image, then this screen will actually change. So again, it can be used as an interactive tool as well. So, and then the advantages is that as the software develops, these screens are fully customizable and fully touchable as well. At the moment, it's designed to be a digital screen, but in the future, with a simple software upgrade, we can now use these as touch screens. And again, for showing people around at the actual venue, maybe even ask some questions. So you've got AI these days, the chatbots, so you can have a conversation with it. So
exactly.
That's the advantage. Are you working on any AI chatbot stuff so you could speak to the robot?
We have some partners who would like to put the avatar on the screen. Then the robot could be the sales promoter.
Okay, as in like an avatar?
Yeah, avatar.
Okay, yeah. And then obviously there's such a range of different avatars. You can have a human one, a character one, and you can have a full lot of them going. So,
yeah.
Okay, no, it's great, Sean. Thanks for your time. Thank you for the overview. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.